All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Hbar family. Appreciate you guys as always, for sticking around and showing so much love day in, day out. If you want to see a continuation of these updates just like the way I do on a daily basis, obviously let me know in the comments down below. And of course, do not forget to hit that red subscribe button. But, finally seeing a little bit of relief across the market as we are going into Friday morning. You are seeing the market turning back into green, going into Friday morning. That is, of course, nice to see because, of course, over the last, 3 days, we have seen the market kind of tumbling over. Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor, move back towards the upside, which of course has caused a positive reaction to the altcoin market. But as far as Hbar is concerned, if you're looking at Hbar's price, it's up 4.5% on the daily time frame, also up 2.7% in Bitcoin comparative, with the price currently sitting at 28.2 cents. Also, the market valuation is at about 10.75 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $500 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, as far as the dominance index is concerned, some quite interesting to see what's happening with the dominance, especially if I show you guys over the hourly time frame. The dominance still hasn't gone back above that 58%. So, we did wick up to that 58.1% a few hours back, but it's pulling down while Bitcoin is seeing a beautiful bounce. And speaking about a beautiful bounce, I really want you guys to take a look at Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. You can see a nice bounce here. So, the 23.6 so far has been playing as a major support, as to be expected. We did come very close to $90,000 Bitcoin, some of the targets that I was speaking about, but we have seen a little bit of a bounce, which of course is nice to see. And tomorrow is very interesting because if we're able to break out of this key resistance where the price of Bitcoin is currently sitting at, you could see the price of Bitcoin making its way back up to that $96,700 mark quite fast. So as I've stated to you guys before over the past few days, my personal thoughts was, after we did hit that original $100,000 price point, we did see that over leveraged positions coming in, over longs piling up, thinking that the market is about to pump up, and then you saw the market tumble down, and of course the DOJ announcement coming out as well, which of course caused even more retracement within the price of Bitcoin. But you are seeing a little bit of a bounce. But in terms of getting excited, I still think we need a little bit more time in terms of the confirmation itself. But taking a look at Hbar, let's waste no more time and pull out the hourly time frame and really understand what's happening with Hbar's price right now. So let's give it a refresh live. Hbar, and we are going to go to the hourly time frame. Here we are. So look at this bounce, guys, and I could not be more impressed with the way Hbar is holding. It's simple as that. I don't need to sit here talk about 1 hour with you guys as to how good this chart has been looking, if you're looking at it just from the technical standpoint as well. And it has been looking amazing, and I'm sure if you watch my videos on a day-to-day basis now, this is something that is quite clear. You are seeing this price of Hbar holding so well, while you are seeing major manipulation and of course volatility within the crypto markets, especially with Bitcoin, and it still has held its ground quite strong. So we did talk about this key support. Obviously we wicked below it. We actually retested January 1st lows. You could see this for yourself at the 26.3 cents, but a beautiful bounce back up. So let's say you were dollar cost averaging around this price point, you were picking up the bloodbath. Remember, there's a famous saying: be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So let's say you were dollar cost averaging in while there was major bloodbath across the board, and you did see Hbar price go up literally 8.17% in just a matter of the last few hours. And speaking about the yearly high for the year of 2025, obviously that was at the 33 cents almost, and you did see a retracement of about 20% since January 7th, which is just 2 days back. So a very strong correction, to be quite frank with you. But again, shouldn't really be a surprise. Dominance went up quite a bit compared to where it was around the 7th of Jan, and also we did see Bitcoin kind of seeing a retracement as well, which kind of go hand in hand, and kind of explains why you are seeing the price of Hbar reacting. But the way it's currently holding, the way it's currently bouncing back up, obviously we are facing some resistance where we currently are, but now honestly, even tomorrow we could be in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level if Bitcoin continues to go up and the dominance continues to fall. I would not be surprised if the price of Hbar makes its way back up to that 30 cents price point quite fast. This is a project that's still showing a lot of bullish momentum. I know a lot of people are completely forgetting that, this exact same project 2 months back was literally sitting at 4 cents where no one was really touching it except, obviously the ones that really believed in Hbar. And again, anyone that was accumulating Hbar around, 2023, 2024, before November are the true believers, in my opinion, of course, that actually believe in the vision and that were obviously, doing the due diligence research and dollar cost averaging. Those are the true, holders, in my opinion. Anyone that, got in around that, I'm sure really understand how big of a move this is. But, the ones that are kind of, complaining right now, with the price action kind of going sideways over the last 1 month are the ones that, just got in later. That's literally how I look at it. But, it's holding really, really good right now. Pay very close attention to Bitcoin. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support over the, past, year. And of course, if you want to see more of these updates on a continuous basis, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and do let me know in the comments down below. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.